back to Slime Town. You know what it is. That new series that I made a couple months ago, or a couple days. I made this series for fun, and I feel like I've been making a lot of things good. And look at my new house. I mean, I just upgraded it, but it's still good. I kind of been grinding. Oh wait, I think that yeah, I did steal these mending potions. I found a village off camera, so I'll just drink these. They give me to higher levels. No, they won't. Anyways, I have been stacking up, like I said in the last episode, and I am not thinking. And look at this. You don't know that I'm playing around anymore. You see, all the things I've been doing is kind of like slow, and I'm gonna be making that fat cash. So let's see if you guys can just give this video a quick, big thumbs up. Look at that juicy thumb. So make it right, because some of you guys are not subscribed and watch these videos. So make sure that you do that. Why are you not doing it? Make sure that you stop this video and do it right now. It's free and it will help me out. And I want to make like multiple channels. Like I can make a gaming channel, a real life channel, explaining channels. I don't know. With that help, I need you guys to help me out. So yeah, we've been also like farming things off camera, and I am actually looking forward. I want to like make another portal. Oh my gosh, salmonella. No, oh wait, I gotta eat it in the breath. Look at my house, guys. Looks so good. And wait, I want to get the sheep. If I grab the sheeps, I can extend my farm. You don't have to go to get iron. Let's grab some iron. Here I put a chest down with things that I might need, and I placed it down because my inventory was too full. So what do I need? I need this. I need this thing. And I've also got some iron armor, so that should like help me out. So got the torches. Let's go down. I don't even know what I'm doing. Make wood, make wood, make wood, make wood. Patch it up, patch it up. No, I'm wasting a torch though. That's a waste of coal. We found some more coal right now, so I think we're pretty good now. We should be looking extremely. Oh my gosh. We should be looking extremely pretty right now, so we're going to be sitting very pretty. We're going to sit so pretty that nothing bad is going to happen. Stop it. You're really not like trying. Now we're just going down. We're going down the cave because, oh my gosh. We're going down the cave because we need to find some iron. And in the sky, little life sky. Man, I know it's little Einstein, but I decided to make a little life sky. Bruh, what is this nonsense? The sun is already turning brown, but we found some iron, so that's good. How much pieces is this? 1. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Only 1? Are you serious? I feel like we can find way more. No, come on. Make this boom. Boom. Yes. I'm gonna do this. found this stuff. We're gonna need it. This video is gonna be under 1 minute because I have low. That's all the iron I wanted. Let's go back up. Gosh. If I didn't leave, I would have been dead. Dead. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get 3 halves. Stop it, you little spider! You are not gonna kill me today, boy. You are not gonna kill me today. 3 pieces of seminal in my belly. That's not good for my belly. My belly be nice and tough. Now it'll be good and bad and buff. I mean, that's the only rhyme that I can think of, okay? Please respect that. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. I have to fight off the zombies. I have to fight for my life. It's a war. It's every person for themselves. Every person for themselves. Oh my gosh, I blew up my farm. No. Oh, no, I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Without a shadow of a doubt, what are you guys doing? Stop it. This is getting annoying. I'm not gonna die. I literally just stacked up. Do you know how long it took me to get this? Stop. No. How's it? No. Stop. No. Come on, man. Are you kidding me? Don't do that. Come on. No. Oh my gosh, please. Oh my gosh. What is going on with these carrots? These carrots are so dumb. Whatever. My gosh, even the wheat. Why is the wheat? Oh my gosh. I think I'm just gonna have to go to sleep and then I'm gonna have to fix this up. Don't tell me it hit my house. If it hit my house, I would get so mad. Oh my gosh. At least I'll be able to repair it. Ah, this is getting so annoying. I thought that nothing would happen. Guys, I'll explain this. I just made a little bed for my dog while I sleep, so we can sleep together. I watched some of the YouTube tutorials, and you can use that, and I used it, so you guys can use it too. Just watch Bubble Cup. He reacted to it, so then I used that. So yeah, come on. This is just frustrating, man. No. Come on, bro. Like, why? I feel like I'm gonna get the biggest headache at the end of this video. Let's grab this stuff. So we're gonna extend the farm area because apparently it keeps on breaking. We're gonna make it extra repairs. We're gonna extend this farm area out so we can have this keep on happening. Stop it, you stupid spider! I hate spiders in real life and I hate them in Minecraft. Come on, please, guys. I prepared so long for this video and I just started recording. This is not fair. This is actually not fair. No, now the water's getting all soaked up. Oh. Gosh. I'm looking like the biggest Minecraft noob ever. Even though I have so much iron stuff. This is getting annoying. Come on, man. I work so hard. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. This is annoying, guys. This is actually annoying. Well, I'm done like with the farm crease, so I think I'll grab some dirt and I'll extend it. So then I'll extend it with dirt. I don't think that we can extend it with dirt, right? I mean, it doesn't really matter. It just needs to be protected because you know how that can happen. But I think that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And remember, subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. I will see you all next time. Bye.